Fine, sir.
Actually, today we will discuss about the structure of leaf. You know, leaf is an important part of plant because plants prepare food for the plants. So now today we will discuss about the structure of leaf. Just I have already given the structure of the plant on the blackboard. Observe the blackboard and one by one we will see all the parts. First of all, notice. This is the part which is called as the petiole. That is called petiole. And it is just attached with the branch. Then after, it becomes thread-like a structure. That is mid-ring. That is mid-ring of the leaf. Mid-ring. Mid-ring. That is mid-ring. Then after, we will see about the these are structure, these are veins, these are veins, and these small structure, they are called as veinlet, veinlet. So veins and veinlet are already observed there on the surface of the leaf, and that is the outer edge of the leaf. That is called margin. That is called margin. And this is the tip. This is the tip of the leaf, which is called as the apex. Which is called apex. Okay? Which is called as apex. Now we will see some oval-like structure like this and like this. Actually, there are two such type of the structure found on the surface of the leaf. First one is chloroplast. That is chloroplast. Do you know? Actually, chloroplast contains chlorophyll inside themselves. And that chlorophyll is able to trap the photon particles which are found in the sunlight. These photon particles are known as the energy particle, which is absorbed by the chlorophyll, which is present in chloroplast. And second one is stomata. There is a great role of the stomata, which is bone found on the surface of the leaf. And actually, first role of the stomata is gaseous exchange. Gaseous exchange. As you know, that in the process of photosynthesis, leaf gains carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through this stomata. When photosynthesis is completed, then oxygen is produced as the byproduct in leaf. That oxygen is released again through stomata, into the atmosphere. So that is called gaseous exchange, which is conducted by stomata. And these are found on the surface of the leaf. And second role of the stomata, which is also so important, as you know, that the process of transpiration also is conducted by stomata. What is transpiration? Actually, transpiration is the actual process through which excess of water. This excess of water, whenever it is not required by the plant, that excess of water is already evaporated through stomata. Okay, and the water is minused in the plant.
Go.
Yes, of course, just this is the great role of the stomata as we are discussing about the cell. So, first role is gaseous exchange, and second role is transpiration of the water. So, these are the functions of the stomata. Now, question is, how does a leaf prepare food for plants? So, hello students, just you know that photosynthesis takes place only during the day. Whenever sunlight is available. So, actually, root of the plant absorb water and mineral from the soil, Okay. And then after carbon dioxide from the atmosphere to the stomata, right? And chlorophyll is already present in the chloroplast, and that chlorophyll already traps the energy particle, right? Then after reaction starts, and that reaction is known as the photosynthesis, and this reaction is like this: CO2, carbon dioxide plus H2O, water, in the presence of sunlight, and chlorophyll in the leaf. So these are the reactants. Now, whatever products are there? So first of all, glucose, C6H12O6, C6H12O6 and O2. That is oxygen. So this is the equation of photosynthesis. So what you find here? Once leaves get CO2 from atmosphere through stomata, water from the soil, which is absorbed by root and sent to the leaf, and in the presence of sunlight, where photon particles are present, that is trapped by chlorophyll. This chlorophyll is present in chloroplast. Then after reaction starts, C6H12O6, that is carbohydrate also, that is already produced as the food of the plant, and then after oxygen, and this oxygen is released again through stomata. So this is the process of photosynthesis in which plants prepare their food. So this is the structure of the leaf and the role of the leaf. हेलो बच्चों, कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा।
समझ में आ गया?
यस सर।
कहीं कोई प्रॉब्लम भी?
नो सर।
Have you any problem to be understood?
नो सर।
No problem?
यस।
Then conclude my topic.
हाँ सर।
Okay.
Bye.
We'll see you again.
बाय सर।
Bye.